Here we have the Catalina Crunch Protein Cereal Dark Chocolate. I recently went through the Cinnamon Crunch one, or the Cinnamon Toast, and it was divine, so I thought I would delve into the chocolate. So same sort of setup here. You've got 11 grams of protein, no extra sugar, but there are carbs, and it's a good source of fiber, and hopefully it'll be as tasty as the cinnamon. And you can use it for snacking all day, and it's 255 grams. And if this is as good as the cinnamon one I tried, then the only minus point to this cereal is going to be the fact that, for me, based in Japan, importing this was mecha expensive. Okay, here we have the nutritional breakdown for those of you who need this kind of information. And the owner or the starter of this company is someone who is diabetic, so needed something low sugar for them. And here are the ingredients. And Catalina Crunch has other products too. Discover and save. All right, let's open this up. Oh, wow, they're very dark. So another thing to remember is that a serving size is a mere half cup, which I'm guesstimating is what this is. And I'm going to put some yogurt on this time, some drinkable yogurt, the liquid kind. Ooh, look at that. But actually, this is very thick. I'm going to add some almond milk to it as well. We'll see how this tastes. And you could add some fruit to this as well, or some chia seeds or something like that. Oh, wow. I think I might like this better than the cinnamon. Yummy! Okay, I'm not disappointed, you guys. I recommend. This tastes like a really rich chocolate brownie. Very delectable. Depends on your personal preference, but I've enjoyed the cinnamon. Obviously, I've scoffed that in just a few breakfasts, and this one's going to go equally fast. Yum. Recommend.